طيب, then we have studied about the straight angles, the angles on the straight line, right? For example, if you, what did you say? Sam, did you say something?
No, nothing, teacher, nothing.
Right.
Nothing.
If we have a straight line like this, then we can say the angle on this straight line is, what is the size of the straight angle? What is the size?
100 degrees. 100 degrees.
180 degrees. 180 degrees. 180 degrees. 180 degrees.
Thank you. طيب. Let's suppose we have divided this angle into two angles like this. Then we have got two angles on the straight line, isn't it? Isn't it? We have two angles, this angle and this angle. So now we should say the size of the two angles equals 180, both of them. When we add them, for example, this is angle A, this is angle B. So A plus B equals 180. But the whole angle, this say this is C. Oops. Let's say C, okay? C is, the size of C is 180, but what is the size of A? I don't know, right? I should use the protractor to find the size of A and the size of B, but what is sure here is that A plus B equals 180. Right. What do we call these two angles? What do we call them when we have two angles on a straight line? What do we call them?
Right.
We call them supplementary. Supplementary angles. What are the supplementary angles now? Sarah? You know what are the supplementary angles? A and B.
Yes.
Why? Because they made up 180 degrees. Okay? Right. We have already talked, or we have also talked about adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. What are the adjacent angles? Adjacent angles are two angles, okay, like this, AB. They share a side, they share the same side, and they have a common point. So you can see here, angle A and angle B has the same, or they share the same side, okay? And this point is common between A and B. So we call them adjacent. Adjacent means next to each other, okay? So angle A is next to angle B, right? So we call them adjacent angles. Do we say these angles are supplementary angles? These? Are they supplementary angles or not?
No.
Why?
Not.
Why?
Because it's not adjacent angles.
What did you say, Sarah?
Because it's adjacent angles, not supplementary angles.
Because they are adjacent angles? Okay. Okay, Hanin. Are these supplementary angles? You don't know?
Yeah.
What is supplementary angles? We said that supplementary angles, those angles make up 100. But do these two angles make 180?
No.
No, because they're not on a straight line, right?
Yes.
No,
So
180.
these two angles are only adjacent angles. They're not supplementary. Not supplementary. I can hear a lot of noise. I'm gonna make mute
I
everyone.
don't understand adjacent angles.
طيب. طيب. We have something called supplementary angles. We have something called adjacent angles. Supplementary angles are the angles on a straight line. You can see this straight line, okay? But if the angles are not on the straight line, like these two angles, they are not on the straight line, right? This is not straight line, so we don't call them supplementary, but we call them adjacent. Adjacent means next to each other. For example, A and B here next to each other, so they are adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are the angles those share the same side and they have one point in common. Okay. Then we can describe these two angles, the first two angles here on the straight line, as supplementary angles, and at the same time they are adjacent angles, right? Why adjacent angle? Because they are next to each other. But okay, I'll give you another example and I want you to answer this. This is a straight line and we have three angles, 1, 2, 3. Now A, B, C. What are the supplementary angles here? I want you to answer me. What are the supplementary angles? Raise hand. Okay. Haneen, what are the supplementary angles?
C and A.
C and A, why? Why?
Because the C is...
طيب. Haneen, okay. Let's listen to Sahl. Sahl, what are the supplementary angles here?
A.
A? No, not A. Who else? Who knows? Do you remember what is a supplementary angles? Supplementary angles? طيب Noor, wait Noor. Supplementary angles are angles make 180. If we plus them, we are gonna get 180. Noor, so what are the supplementary angles now? Noor, I can't hear you, Noor. Hello. Noor. No, there is a problem with your mic. Fix it. Fix it. No, the problem is with your mic, not the muting. Okay, no problem. Who else? Who knows? Sarah.
A and B.
A and B only? طيب. Let's say this is the straight line. It is 180. Then if you divide it into two parts, then this and this is gonna be 180. But if you add one more angle, all of them, if you add them all, you will get 180. If you add only A and C or A and B only, you're not gonna get 180. So A, B, and C all supplementary are supplementary angles. Okay, all of them. Why? Because all of them are on the straight line. Is that clear? You have to focus on this. Isra didn't understand. طيب. Ahmed Ali, what's your question?
So I can't open the cam.
I
He's-
stopped your cam. I stopped your cam because you are playing with the background. Don't play, okay? I will allow you to open, but don't play. Sorry. No, remove that. Ahmed Ali, remove it. طيب. Noor, can you speak now? Sahel, do you have a question?
I didn't understand, teacher.
طيب. طيب. 3 of you didn't understand. Okay. What is this? طيب. I'll open the mic. I'll allow you to open the mic to share with me. To share me.
Hi teacher, how are you teacher? Fine. I'm fine.
Straight line.
This is straight line. What is the
How
size
are
of
you
angle?
teacher? I'm fine.
What is the size of angle?
Yes. I know.
Ilmar,
180.
You do not.
180. If you divide
Yes.
two angles, then, for example, A and B. A plus B is gonna be
180.
180, right? Right. If you divide it into
Yeah.
three angles, A, B, and C, all of them, if you add
100
A plus B plus C, it will be
will be 180.
180.
Teacher.
Because all of them,
Teacher.
they share the same
180.
straight line.
Yes.
Okay?
Teacher, I don't understand very well.
Who
I
is
didn't understand, teacher. Well.
Me too.
طيب, I'm now explaining, so focus.
Oh,
طيب. Let me. Inmar, I'm gonna remove you. Stop
No,
talking.
no, no.
طيب. I will remove you and Ahmed. I know what to do.
Teacher, no, no, no. Please, no, no. Please, no, teacher.
Stop talking or I will remove you. طيب. Look here. We have two angles. This angle, this angle. The first one is 110. Second one is 70 degrees. Okay? So if we add them together, if we meet these two angles, okay, if we place them next to each other, we are gonna get this, right? Right?
Yes.
Right. Now 110
Yeah.
plus 70 equals
180.
180. So you can see that they are on the straight line. Okay?
Yeah.
But imagine that this was like,
Okay.
for example, 30. Okay? This 30. Okay? What should be this?
Okay.
140.
What is the size of this angle? This.
140.
Yeah, and then here should be to make 180. What is the size of this angle?
Straight line.
40. Because 110 plus 30 plus 40 equals
150.
180. Did you get the idea?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I actually understand.
Hmm?
Yeah. I understand.
You,
I understand the lesson.
you
I
understood?
understand, teacher. Yes.
Understand.
Who didn't understand?
And not me.
Okay.
Teacher, I understand very well. I understand.
Tamam.
And me.
Alhamdulillah.
Me too.
طيب. I'll give you a question. This is a straight line. طيب. This is 20, for example. This is 70.
30.
70. What's the size of this?
Yeah, teacher.
What is the size of this?
90.
Me. 90.
90. Why 90?
No,
20 is 190.
Because they are on the straight line, and the straight line is 180.
Yeah, it's 90.
Yeah.
But here we have 70 plus 20,
20.
20 equals 90.
90, and then 180 minus 90 equals 90, right?
yes.
So
Yeah.
90
Yes.
plus
Yeah.
70 plus 20
Yes, teacher.
equals 180. طيب.
180.
So
Plus 20
this angle
plus
and this angle
Teacher, it will be 190.
180.
Yes, 118.
80, not 18.
I don't remember.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, teacher. What do we have? Triangle.
Inmar.
160.
طيب. I'll give you this example. Okay, I want you to tell me what is the size of this angle. Let's say this is K. What is the size of angle K? Raise your hand if you know the answer. سهل. What is the size of K?
70 degree.
Why 70 degree?
Because it's
Okay, K is supplementary with which angle? With what is the another angle with K? Those make 180, or they are on the straight line. Okay, let's choose Ahmed.
Teacher, for T,
What's
the
for
blue
T?
one,
What's for T?
I said to you the answer for The blue one, the key.
Yeah, K.
K. Is it 20?
What is it?
20, I think.
20. Why 20?
Because is it a low? Is it not 90? Is down 90?
Yeah, less than 90. But how did you know it's
Yes.
20? No, it's not 20. طيب. Listen,
Okay.
focus. Ahmad Ali.
Oh, I know.
Wait.
32.
Wait.
30.
Is it
30.
30? No.
It's near to 30.
No. طيب, who knows? Hanin, tell me the answer.
40.
40. Why 40?
Sir, because it's less than 90, I think it's 40.
Because?
It is less than 90, I think it is 40.
No, we cannot say like this, guys. It is sure it is less than 90, but it's not 80. Yeah, it's not 40. طيب, let's choose. No, nobody. Okay, I will explain it. Can you see this straight line? طيب, what are the angles on this straight line from this side? We have K, we have this angle, right? 100. So the angle on the straight line is 180 degrees. So what are the angles supplementary on this straight angle? We have 132, right? Plus K, right? So we have to find the value of K to make it 180 to plus 132 to make it 180. Did you understand, Hanin? حنين طيب فهيم can you open your mic? Okay, could you tell me what is the size of K now? Can you tell me? طيب, if you don't know, no problem. I'm gonna choose. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Nobody knows. This is going to be in the exam, guys. You have to focus. Sarah, raise hand. Don't let me in the. Let's say, okay, let's choose Sarah. Where is Sarah? Sarah, no. What is the answer?
70.
70. Let's see. 132 plus 70 equals 100. 90 100 no 200 and 2. This is not correct. We need to find 180. Okay, I will tell you the answer. 180 minus 132 is going to be 42. Not 42. 48.
32.
48. Right? 48. Why? Because 48 plus 132 will give me 180. So K equals 42. Did you understand? Did you understand or not?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Who didn't understand?
I don't understand this.
I understand now.
Right.
I understand.
understand.
Again. Okay.
Don't understand.
Teacher, I don't understand.
Right. Focus here. We said that the angles on the straight line equals the size of angles on the straight line equals 180.
180.
This is K. Okay, I'm going to make it like this to make it more easier. Okay, do you see this this straight angle? Do you see it?
Yes.
We have two angles on it, right? This and this.
Yes. Yes.
Right. The sum of these two angles, the plus of these two angles must be
180.
180. So this is 132. What should be K? What should be K? We have to find the value of K that make 180 with the 132.
Teacher,
Okay.
me, I can.
132 plus what? Plus what gives me 180? Plus 42, guys.
48.
So 48. So K 48. Now we have 48 and we have 132.
The answer.
Okay, is that clear now?
Yes.
Right.
Teacher, I understand.
Alhamdulillah. I want somebody else to tell me what is the size of K of F. The size of F.
Teacher.
Yes.
130 degrees.
130. This F.
128 degrees.
128.
Which one?
28. Very good.
Yes.
Why 128?
Because 42 plus 128 118. Look.
18 or 28?
28.
No, 23, guys.
I don't understand this one.
23. 123.
Teacher, I don't understand this one.
Okay, where is F? This is F.
Yeah.
Where is the straight line that F is on or lies on? This one, right? Right. We have this angle and this angle. This is 42. Then we have to look to find out the value of F that makes 180. Okay? This is 42 plus 138. What is the answer? 180. So F 138. Okay? Because 138 plus 42 equals 180. Is it clear?
Yes.
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 Right.
Yes.
So you have to look. Yeah. Type. First of all, you have to look at the straight line. Where is the straight line? Okay. And then you have to decide, or you have to look at the noun angle. Then from that, you can find the unknown angle, the value of unknown angle. Noun, it is F. Type.
It's very easy, kids.
Very easy.
Very, 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 very,
So
very,
what do we
very
call? What do you call these? Two angles?
straight line.
No, the two angles. Supplementary, guys. We call them
Supplementary.
supplementary. Right.
Teacher,
Yes.
3 minutes and finish the class, yeah?
Yeah. طيب. What else? طيب. Are they adjacent or not? F.
Did you have homework?
Are they? No, don't have homework. Are they adjacent or not?
No, teacher.
Why
No.
not? They are
No.
they are next to each other, right? They are next to each other, so they are adjacent.
Teacher, no homework.
No homework.
Yes.
But you have to study for the exam. Okay?
Yes.
I want you to, today
Okay.
You know, I want you to study. Wait.
Teacher,
This unit 4.
teacher, with
You see?
teacher.
Do you see unit 4?
Where's the exam? Where?
I
From
have-
where to where?
I have posted in Discord what's gonna be in the exam.
Yes.
Teacher,
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 lines and chips.
teacher.
You send it in Discord.
Let me mute
Teacher,
everyone. I
only-
cannot answer you like this. All of you ask at the same time. Okay, for not homework, but I want you to go through unit 4 tomorrow. Okay, you study it well. The perpendicular lines, parallel lines, and 3D shapes. And if you have any question, ask me tomorrow. Okay. Okay. For exam, the exam will be from this is your homework to study unit 4. Study it very well. And if you have any question, ask me. Exam will be from this lesson, angles on straight line, page 43. Until time intervals in days, weeks, and years, page 111. Okay, let me share this with you. You see here? Here, this is the exam. You can go to Discord, look at math. Okay, look at math channel, and you can find the topics will be in the exam. طيب, we have less than 1 minute. Any question? What is this? We have less than 1 minute. Any question?
No.
teacher. We ما
Only
عندي
only study lines and shape.
ما عندي ديسكورد.
No, from page, from the
WhatsApp.
page 111.